Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Ford Flex. Flex isn't just exciting to look at, it's exciting to drive. It hunkers down, puts a limit on lean. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, navigation system, keyless entry, power passenger seat, traction control, stability control, power liftgate, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear view mirror, cruise control, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.